Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to get an unlimited amount of games essentially on the home screen on your PlayStation 4. So you can see all my games right here, and eventually I get to the library. Now to increase this amount of games, it's very easy. Let's go to the top, go to Settings, and then scroll on down to where it says System on the bottom. Then we can go to where it says Limit Number of Content Items on the home screen here. What we want to do is uncheckmark this. So if I have this check mark, this is what it's going to look like. I get to the end very quickly. There's only maybe like 15 games on here, plus folders, so there's not a lot. So if we go back to System, every kind of game that we open up, it should still remain on the home screen here, and it will go ahead and increase the amount of games on here. So if I scroll now, you can see I have a lot more games just on the home screen here. So go to that setting, uncheck mark it. Now I do notice that sometimes it seems like the PlayStation is a little bit more responsive when I do have this limited. Also get a static background image, like my Halo Master Chief image in the background. It's not moving or anything like that for your theme. This will increase the responsiveness of your PlayStation 4. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.